Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we will be diving into the concept of universal design for learning, unpacking its key details and providing valuable advice for teachers. So let's jump right in. In the beginning, let me introduce what is UDL. UDL stands for Universal Design for Learning. It is an educational framework that aims to create inclusive and accessible learning environments for all students. It recognizes that each student is unique and has individual learning needs, ensuring that educational materials and practices are diverse, flexible, and engaging. UDL is a powerful tool for promoting academic success and creating equitable opportunities in the classroom. Let's discuss principles of UDL. To truly grasp the essence of UDL, we should explore three key principles. Number one, multiple means of engagement. Number two, representation. And the third one is action and expression. Multiple means of engagement refer to the importance of providing various options for students to become motivated, engaged, and interested in their learning process. By incorporating different strategies such as multimedia presentations, hands-on activities, and collaborative projects, teacher can cater to students' diverse interests and preferences. Number two, representation. Representation emphasizes the provision of multiple ways to access and comprehend information. This involves offering content in various formats such as visual aids, audio recordings, or interactive materials, enabling students to process information in the way that best suits their learning style. On the third principle, action and expression, UDL encourages teachers to provide diverse and flexible avenues for a student to demonstrate their knowledge and skills. This may involve options like written assignments, oral presentations, artistic creations, or even digital projects. By allowing students to choose the mode of expression, UDL promotes creativity, individuality, and authentic learning experiences. Let's explore some practical guidelines and strategies that educators can employ. Firstly, it's crucial to gather information about your students' strengths, interests, and learning preferences. This can be done through class discussions, surveys, or one-on-one conversations, enabling you to tailor your instructional approach to meet their needs. Secondly, provide clear learning goals and objectives. Offering students a sense of direction and purpose, this clarity helps students understand what is expected of them and empowers them to take ownership of their learning. Thirdly, create a supportive and inclusive classroom environment. Foster a sense of community, respect, and collaboration among students, as this will enhance their engagement and overall learning experience. One powerful UDL strategy is to incorporate technology into your teaching. By incorporating digital tools, interactive apps, or online resources, you can diversify your instructional methods and cater to different learning styles. Technology also has a potential to level the playing field for students with disabilities, ensuring equal access to educational opportunities. Another effective strategy is using multimodal materials and resources. This includes providing visuals, real-life examples, hand-on activities, and audio recordings to supplement traditional text-based materials. By presenting content in various formats, you maximize accessibility and engagement for all students. Now that we have delved into the principles and strategies of UDL, let's talk about the incredible benefits and impact it can have on both teachers and students. UDL promotes personalized learning experiences, allowing students to explore and demonstrate their knowledge in ways that resonate with their strengths and interests. This enables students to build confidence, develop critical thinking skills, and foster a lifelong love for learning. Furthermore, UDL supports students with diverse learning needs, including those with disabilities or English language learners. By removing barriers and providing flexible options, UDL creates an inclusive environment where all students can thrive academically and socially. In conclusion, Universal Design for Learning is a groundbreaking educational framework that ensures equitable opportunities for all students. By embracing the principle of engagement, representation, and action and expressions, teachers can create inclusive learning environments that support students' unique needs and maximize their potential. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.